You don't have to be the loudest in the room to build relationships during faculty meetings. In fact, the real networking often happens when no one's paying attention. Let's talk about how to turn meetings into meaningful connections without being awkward by trying too hard. So, hi, I'm Dr. Jessie Talley. I'm your faculty coach, and I help early career faculty members navigate academia without burnout, but also staying true to their values. And today, in our faculty meetings one on one series, we're going to be talking about how to use faculty meetings, yes, even the boring ones, to build your professional network in authentic, non cringe ways. Yeah, that's right. So let's get started. So, first, what you want to do is make sure that you take note of who's doing what in the meeting because this can give you an idea of who to connect with. So, you want to watch who leads what committees, who pushes back a little bit, who offers some great insight, who has good ideas. These are definitely the people you might want to connect with after the meeting is over because they may be able to help you on your journey. So after you figure out who those people are going to be, then you want to follow up with a meeting. So that might look like either talking to them in the hallway or even sending them a quick note. So you may say something like, I appreciate your point about X. Would love to hear more about your approach sometime. So it doesn't have to be a long meeting. It doesn't have to be coffee. It doesn't have to be lunch. It could be 15 minutes on Zoom or even 15 minutes to go to that person's office or even in the hallway to talk to them about something that you gained from them in the meeting. So, three, what you want to do is volunteer strategically. So, that doesn't mean that you have to say yes to everything because we want to kind of limit that as you're being an early career faculty member. You want to focus in on your research. So, what it does mean is that you should say yes to something that's going to align with your research and with the other goals that you have for tenure track. Because people remember when you speak up and you participate and say that you want to do something. They keep you in mind for the next time. And then four, you want to ask small intentional questions. So after the meeting is over, you can ask something like, I heard you mention X in the meeting. Would you be open to chatting about how that's worked in our department? And so these things will be helpful as you move along in your process to use this as a networking strategy rather than feeling like, oh, another meeting. So I hope that these help you to kind of move forward and to have a better experience in your meetings and hopefully to make some connections. So until next time, as I always say, do your work and make sure that if you want some extra tips, I have a Tenure Track Starter Kit link. So click on that to get a self-paced course that can help you in your first couple of months or first years on the tenure track. I look forward to talking to you soon in the next Faculties One-on-One meeting series. It's still continuing. See you soon. Bye.